Hey guys! Today I'm going to be continuing my Modern Princess series with Aurora, aka Sleeping Beauty. I'm starting off with lightly filling in my brows. I actually already have pretty bold brows, so I'm just going to be filling in the more sparser areas. I'm basing this tutorial more on the live action Aurora with Elle Fanning and the new movie Maleficent, Mistress of Evil, which actually comes out this week. Also, I felt like this is like perfect timing because Halloween is just around the corner. Next, I'm taking Cypress Umber from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and a pencil brush, and I'm just using it to cut my crease. I make sure to find the hollow of my eyes as well as look straight forward to make sure that I place the shadow where you can still see it. I do have hooded lids, so cut creases don't always translate well on my eyes, but I found this method works pretty well. Basically, I layer again and again with the exact same shadow just to build up the opacity. I feel like it's better to add than to take away when it comes to eyeshadow. And I'm just blending that with a precise blending brush. Next, I'm just taking the black shade in the Soft Glam palette and kind of just deepening up that cut crease that I made. Again, just building up slowly the pigment. Now I am just taking the shade Rose Pink from the Soft Glam palette, and I am using my finger just to pat it on to the center of my lid, just basically the rest of my lid actually. Next, I'm using the Glitterazzi eyeshadow duo by Hard Candy, and I'm using the glitter side, and again with my finger I am patting that right on top of that pink shade. Careful not to rub it in because you might disturb the pigment underneath and you really don't want that. And now I'm just going to take a break from the eyes for a second and move on with my face. This part's pretty standard, just do what you usually do. I realize I really like the idea that this is an Aurora / Maleficent hybrid look. The smokiness of Maleficent would look really sick on Aurora, I think. I haven't seen the movie, but I imagine Aurora is much more mature than she was in the first movie, and maybe has been more influenced by Maleficent. And I also feel like the cut crease looks really good when you're like sleeping and she's, Sleeping Beauty, if you know what I mean. So I contour as usual, really paying attention to the cheekbones to give myself that snatched Angelina Jolie look. I find baking underneath the contour really sharpens up the line, so. Going back to the eyes, I am again using that black shade to darken up my outer V and bringing it down to smoke out my lower lash line. Here I'm just going back and forth with Cypress Umber and Noir, continuing to build the depth and smokiness in the eyes. You're gonna see me go back and forth and do this a lot, by the way, so yeah, just keep doing it until you're satisfied. I also use a pressed setting powder to clean up and sharpen out the eyeshadow because, my blending isn't always the greatest. Now I'm using the black shadow again to line my lash line. I really like doing this instead of liquid eyeliner because it kind of gives it more of a smoky look. Here I'm using the Kiss lashes in the style Midnight. They're the luxe kind, as well as coating my bottom lashes with mascara. Next, with this Maybelline brush, I am putting that over my cheekbones and slightly into my temples to give it more of that snatched look. Now, as always, I am taking my busted up Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and using a mix of the two lightest shades. I am brushing that all over the points, or the highest points of my face, as well as the inner corner of my eyes. Here I'm just putting on the lipstick in the shade Lolita by Kat Von D. And of course, tapping on that hard candy glitter because I'm literally obsessed with it. And after doing the hair, which actually took me a long time, I am done. And thank you for watching. If you like this, let me know. And stay tuned for more Halloween videos and also more princess videos. I'm going to really try to get on that. So yeah, thank you. Bye. I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you, that look in your eyes is so familiar gleam. And I know it's true that visions are seldom as they seem. But if I know you, I know what you'll do. You'll love me at once, the way you did once upon a dream.